Hi guys, welcome back. And today I'm gonna tell you how I take care of my skin at the night time. So I've just come back from work. Yeah, this is my daily skincare routine at night. So here is what I start. I first start using with a cleansing milk, and this is a super inexpensive Blue Heaven deep cleansing milk which I use. So I'm wearing a little bit of BB cream and I want deep cleaning, so this is what I'm going to use. I just take a pinch of it, not a pinch, a little more. I'll just show you. I'll take this much, not much of course. No, I need more. So I'm going to take this much more and quickly work it into my skin. Wash it off. Okay, so here I am. I have washed my face. I've taken the cleansing milk off. And guys, I must tell you one thing, which is I have never ever in my life used a towel or anything on my face. I just let it dry in the air or maximum pat it dry. Once I'm done with the cleansing milk, this is what I use. I'm not sure if you can see this. This is Biotique honey gel refreshing foaming face cleanser. This is a face wash which I use after cleansing my face. So I take about, I'm almost done with this pad. So this is how much I take. This is how much I take. Now I'm gonna wash it. Now once I'm done washing my face with a face wash, this is what I use. This is Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. So this is super light. I'm not sure if you can see. This is super light, and it has very tiny particles. You know, extremely tiny particles. Yeah, you can feel them, and they're very soft on your skin, and they smell very good. So this is a scrub that you can use every day. I mean, I use it every day. Now I'm gonna wash it off. So once I'm done washing my, I'm gonna use rose water as a toner. So I'll take a generous amount of rose water on my face, and that's how I dab dry. Alright, so now my face is completely dried and super smooth and nice. Once I'm done, because I have dark circles, so I'm going to use a little bit of this vitamin E oil that I got from Nyaka. It's called E-Vit vitamin E skin oil. So I'm just going to take a drop or two. It's dripping already. Just a drop or two, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. Right, now once that is done, the last product would be a moisturizer, which is a must of course. I'm going to use this Biotique Swiss technology bioseller. It's called I don't know what it's called. Yeah, it's called Advanced Bio Saffron Dew. Okay, so I'm going to take some amount of this. There it is. Probably this too much light, I guess. More. Alright, and lastly, for my lips, I use Vaseline. Alright, so that was about my daily skincare routine at night, of course, and if you could relate to it, or if you think I should change something or I should add something that would help me, that would you enjoyed and liked watching the video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and also give it a big thumbs up soon. So you take good care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye.